definitely recommend that you start off with damp hair. What do I use to interlock? It is a extra long bobby pin that I use to interlock my hair. I have been using this method, y'all. You can change the width of it so that it does fit every single lock in your hair. So that's why I used it. I will link every single thing that I use in all of my lock videos in my Amazon storefront. So with this lock right here, I like to make sure every single bit of loose hair is in there. So it's not really a retwist, but I do try to twist it in just a little bit. Do you guys get what I'm saying? So in the shape of a cross, Jesus is everywhere. In the shape of a cross, I'll start here. I'm gonna put this right through my lock, insert it into the new growth, put the tip of your lock through the eye of your bobby pin, if you're using a bobby pin, and pull it straight through. Right? That's one loop. Now you go whichever side. You can go this side or this side. You pull it through this side, grab the tip of your lock, boom, pull it through, boom, right? Hopefully y'all can see that. Then you go up. This is usually where I like to end it, but because I have not done this in a while, I know I'm gonna have to do 4. Pull it. You don't have to do this too tight. If you do this too tight, y'all, picture yourself popping some Advil before you go to sleep, because trust me, don't do it too tight, right? On your edges, don't do too much, okay? The most I'll probably do is 2 or 3 loops, all right? I put it this way. Now, if you're using a bobby pin, understand that whatever direction you put it in, it's gonna come through that direction that you already put it in, okay? Not the other way. So you put it right here, right through the new growth, nice and easy. Put the tip of your lock through the needle and pull it through. Boom. And then again, I will put it right at the bottom, up. Eye of the needle, eye of the tiger, don't play, and pull it through. And because these are my edges, I'm not gonna do too much, right? Down, eye, pull, through. Side, eye, pull, through. Up, eye, pull, through. But if you have any other questions, feel free, let's chat below, chat with each other, ask each other questions, ask me questions. I respond pretty quickly. And follow me on Instagram so you can see more into my life outside of locks, solo travel, lifestyle, and beauty hacks and whatnot. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I look forward to giving y'all more tutorials. See you then. Bye.